Just a small tutorial on how to put on a pillowcase that is longer than your pillow. So if your pillow is this size, then and then uh you have a pillowcase that's longer than your pillow, then I'm going to show you a small tutorial on how to use the long pillowcase for the short pillow so that it'll still look nice. Okay? Nice and neat. So you put the pillow inside of the pillowcase. Make sure both the seams are on each side. That way you get it straight down in there, straight, and it's not crooked, if you know what I mean. So it's straight down in there now. Now look, you have all this extra pillowcase. What are you gonna do with it? Well, let me show you. This is a way that you can make it look nice and neat. What you do is you tuck this inside like that. You tuck all of that in, all the way in, make it nice and neat. And look, voila, you have a pillowcase for your pillow. Okay? Until next time, this is Marie's Message 411 TV. Bye-bye.